So here we have it, stuffed apples with, dates, cinnamon. You could jazz this up a bit more, add different sort of fruits and stuff, and in the future I'll probably make something with different fillers. But yeah, taste test. Let's go. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Steaming the apples like that gives it that soft texture, the same sort of texture as a regular sort of crust of a mince pie, and how easy it is to bite into it. Beautiful. Highly recommend it. Mmm. Mmm. Give that a try.